What can be the study plan now for the next 3 months for RBI Grade B? First of all, RBI is not an exam for which you can prepare in 3 months. Ideally, you require 6 months. But if you have a background like you have been in UPSC preparation, or you have prepared for banking, you have studied quant reasoning, you have studied quant reasoning in CAT, then maybe it's feasible. If you're just a fresher, I would advise you not to go for this 3 month study plan. Now, what can be a 3 month study plan who has some background linkage with the RB Grade B preparation? So, first of all, study plan we need to focus mainly on phase 1 and certain parts of phase 2, not everything because we don't have that much time. The remaining part of phase 2 we can do after phase 1. So, we will do it parallelly for phase 1 and phase 2 but focus more on phase 1 as of now. So first 15 days I would say in shift 1, S1 means shift 1, you study management and do its answer writing. You can complete management within 15 days, right, if you study 20-30 pages daily. Then S2, shift 2, you should do quant, and you cannot do quant watching every video or doing every chapter. You have to rely on reverse engineering. Then 16 to 30th day, S1, you will start reading current affairs. Current affairs are very important for phase 1, 80 marks. This is something that will help you to clear phase 1, not the other sections. हम मई से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Ideally, I want you to start from April, but हम April बाद में करेंगे. Shift 2 में from 16 to 30th day, we will focus on reasoning. Again, we will do it through reverse engineering. Then 31st to 45th day, S1, I will ask you to practice sectional test of quant and reasoning so that you get accustomed to selection of questions and doing time management and managing your anxiety. Shift 2 में हम 31st to 45th day में current affairs पढ़ेंगे जून के. 46 to 60th day in shift 1, if you get time, read some important chapters of finance, otherwise you can keep reading current affairs. And from 46 to 60th day in S1, read current affairs of April which we have left earlier. तो April, May, June के current affairs आपके हो जाएंगे. और post notification by this time, I think after 60th day the notification would be out. You should focus on current affairs of March and July FLTs, and you can do more practice on quant reasoning and English.